everyone, welcome back to eTutor Manoshri. Today we have an exciting quiz on electricity, specially designed for students in grades 9 and 10. Whether you are preparing for an exam or just love a good challenge, this quiz is perfect for you. Let's dive in. What is the unit of electric current? The unit of electric current is ampere. What is the symbol of electric current? The symbol of electric current is I. What is the unit of electric potential difference? The unit of electric potential difference is volt. What device is used to measure electric current? An ammeter is used to measure electric current in a circuit. What is the formula for Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that the voltage across a conductor is equal to the current times to resistance. What is the unit of resistance? The unit of resistance is ohm. What is the symbol of resistance? The symbol of resistance is R. What is the unit of electric power? The unit of electric power is watt. What is the formula for electric power? Electric power P is the product of current and voltage.
What is the effect of increasing the length of conductor on its resistance?
The resistance of a conductor increases with its length. What is the effect of increasing the cross-sectional area of a conductor on its resistance? The resistance of a conductor decreases with an increase in its cross-sectional area. The reciprocal of the equivalent resistance of resistors in parallel is the sum of the reciprocals of their individual resistances. What is the heating effect of electric current? When electric current passes through a conductor, it produces heat due to the resistance of the conductor. What is the practical application of the heating effect of electric current? Electric heaters use the heating effect of electric current to generate heat. What is the SI unit of electric charge? The SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. What is the relationship between electric potential difference and work done? Electric potential difference is work done per unit charge. What is the formula for calculating electric power in terms of resistance? Electric power can also be calculated as the product of the square of the current and the resistance. What is the effect of temperature on the resistance of a conductor? The resistance of a conductor generally increases with an increase in temperature. What is the unit of electric field strength? The unit of electric field strength is volt per meter. What is the relationship between current and voltage in a conductor? According to Ohm's law, current is directly proportional to voltage in a conductor. What is the effect of connecting resistors in series on the total resistance? Connecting resistors in a series increases the total resistance. What is the effect of connecting resistors in parallel on total resistance? Connecting resistors in parallel decreases the total resistance. What is the formula for calculating the energy consumed by an electric appliance? The energy consumed by an electric appliance is the product of its power and its time it is used. What is the unit of energy consumed by electric appliances? The unit of energy consumed by electric appliances is the joule. What is the relationship between power, voltage, and resistance? Electric power can also be calculated as the square of the voltage divided by the resistance. What is the effect of increasing the number of resistors in series on the total current? Increasing the number of resistors in series decreases the total current. What is the effect of increasing the number of resistors in parallel on the total current? Increasing the number of resistors in parallel increases the total current. What is the formula for calculating the potential difference across a resistor? The potential difference across a resistor is the product of the current and the resistance. What is the effect of increasing the voltage on the current in a circuit? Increasing the voltage in a circuit increases the current according to Ohm's law. What is the relationship between resistance and resistivity? The resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to its resistivity and length and inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area. What is the effect of increasing the resistivity of a material on its resistance? Increasing the resistivity of material increases its resistance. What is the formula for calculating the power dissipated in a resistor? The power dissipated in a resistor is the product of the square of the current and the resistance. What is the effect of increasing the cross-sectional area of a conductor on its resistivity? The resistivity of a material is property that doesn't change with the cross-sectional area of a conductor. What is the relationship between electric power and energy? Electric power is the rate at which the energy is consumed or produced. Thank you so much for participating in our electricity quiz. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your score, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Remember to keep learning and stay curious. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.